Lorenzo Musetti is an Italian professional tennis player. She was born on March 3, 2002 in Carrara, Italy. In 2022, at the beginning of the season, he achieved the quarter-finals at the ATP 500 Rotterdam Open, losing against Jiří Lehečka after having defeated number 11 Hubert Hurkacz in the second round. In Monte Carlo, Musetti recorded the second top 10 win of his career by defeating world number 9 Félix Auger-Aliassime in the second round, after reaching his fourth career tour-level semi-final at the 2022 Hamburg European Open with a win over Alejandro Davidovich Fokina. He made his top 50 debut in the rankings. He defeated Francisco Cerúndolo in the semi-finals to reach the first ATP final of his career. He triumphed over world number 6 and top seed Carlos Alcaraz in the final, winning his first ATP title and first ATP 500 tournament. In 2021, Musetti was the youngest player to break into the top 100 for the first time in his career by reaching the semi-finals of the ATP Tour 500 Mexican Open tournament in March after going through qualifying. He also beat Francis Tiafoe and 5th seed Grigor Dimitrov to break into the top 100 and reach his second ATP semi-final and first at a 500 level, where he was defeated in straight sets by Stefanos Tsitsipas. The 19-year-old was the third youngest semi-finalist in the tournament's history. Musetti reached his third ATP semi-final at the Lyon Open in May, where he was again defeated by Tsitsipas. At the end of the season, he took part in the next generation ATP finals, where he was eliminated in the round-robin stage as third of his group, having lost to Sebastian Baez and finalist Sebastian Korda and won to Hugo Gaston. His second main draw tour-level match and first on a Masters 1000 level in his career came after qualifying at the Italian Open, where he defeated three-time Grand Slam champion Stan Wawrinka in a straight sets in the first round, becoming the first player born in 2002 to win an ATP match, and former world number 4 Kei Nishikori in the second round. He had achieved a career-high ITF Juniors ranking of 1 in the World 110 June 2019. On 26 January 2019, Musetti defeated Emilio Neva to win the 2019 Australian Open boys singles title.